I think there are still students who don't know about Canva today.
はい、本日は Canva をまだ知らない生徒さんもいらっしゃると思うので、
The title is also called Let's Play with Canva. We will take time to help them remember how to use Canva. Today's students are learning about sushi. They are usually people who have never used Canva. It turns out that it can be surprisingly. I would be happy if everyone could understand that. Does everyone know about Canva? It seems not. Last year's class also had no one who knew about Canva. Recently, there have been TV commercials and ads on social media. There are many options, such as various templates and images, so it's very convenient. There are so many design possibilities, and it was really fun to express my individuality. Since it was a tool I was using for the first time, I had a lot of fun to create various business cards and think about concepts for a restaurant run by students. Next year, students will operate a sushi restaurant run by students. You will learn designs that can be effectively utilized in the sushi restaurant. You can also add photos and illustrations to the menu. You can use illustrations that are easy for overseas customers to understand. I think customers find it easier to order when there are photos or illustrations. Having just a text-only menu can make it a bit difficult to place orders. I want to use Canva to create menus and advertisements that are easier for others to understand and more visually appealing. Let's try making a self-introduction card. You can achieve this with the basic features of how to make effective use of templates. I thought it was amazing that you can create business cards. It's interesting to see people utilizing the templates that are full of humor. I think adjusting the font size is difficult. I believe we can also create posters and such. I'm looking forward to the future. I am currently creating an introduction about myself. It's a very enjoyable task. I want to continue mastering Canva in the future. I want to become a sushi chef. I want to challenge myself overseas. I want to create original sushi using local ingredients to delight customers from abroad. Business cards and promotions for opening my own store. I want to work efficiently using Canva. The era of diversification has truly progressed. Especially in places like Kyoto, there are many tourists from overseas, not just language, but design. Using digital tools is also important. It would be great if we could enhance our support for overseas customers with Canva's sushi chefs who can also design in the future. Don't you think that's really wonderful? While it's important to hone cooking skills at the same time, I hope you can gradually learn skills other than cooking as well. I want students to utilize the experience of tackling new challenges even after they enter society.